Thank you very much, Kirk, in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, reporting live for us on that cold front affecting Jamaica. You could end up in court. The warning to justices of the peace from the Justice Minister, who is reminding JPs not to sign documents for people they do not know. He was speaking at a recent commissioning ceremony in St. James.
There are many JPs who are witnessing land documents and don't appreciate that sometimes the persons whose name you're witnessing may well be false. But it allows that person to sell property. And you could well find yourself in the criminal courts for being negligent or reckless in witnessing a signature and allow property to be transferred because you witnessed that person's signature who is really not the person.
JPs were also reminded to serve communities with integrity and ensure they are following the rules.
Please be on your guard, because they will come with picture and tell you that their name is Delroy Chuck. But they say, but I know another Delroy Chuck. But they say, I also name that. And you foolishly go and witness it. And they can now get out a driver's license or other documents in that name. And that when you witness a signature that you don't know, then you're opening the door to corruption and a lot of misdeeds.